How to enable Snapchat public profile. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about enabling Snapchat public profile. So a public profile allows anyone on Snapchat, not just friends, to follow you and see your public stories, lenses, spotlight posts, and follower count. Snapchatters 16 and older may have a public profile, but in most places, you need to be 18 or older to create and manage one. So in order to enable a Snapchat public profile, you need to open Snapchat, log into your account, tap on the Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then after, go ahead, scroll down and tap on Create Public Profile. And then tap on Continue and get started and create one. You can customize your profile with the bio, photo, etc. And the requirements is to be 18 or older, and your account must be more than 24 hours old, and you must have at least one mutual friend. There should be no recent violations of Snapchat terms as well. And if you do not see this option, make sure that you've entered and confirmed your birthday in your settings. And if your account is new, you need to wait for at least 24 hours. And also try clearing the app's cache or reinstalling the application. And if you still don't see it, you can go ahead and contact the Snapchat support through the app. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.